boss, as you can see, say I finish go so arrangement. Okay. Now I mean, boss, only surprise here.
How?
Like how? Like
they.
Oh, my man can't. Oh, my man can't.
Hey.
Boss, the problem is so many people come here for the birthday. The baby no arrange BBA we and son you gain free them aba. No I can enough I surprised but as I it's normal. As I hope be
your jam room no, room 3. So you can take your lady. Yeah. Boss, room 3. You can take your lady. Birthday girl looking so pretty. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip 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 hip. Hooray!
Ja, Dede, we hear you now.
Ah, you mom. When you kill mom.
Oh, da you na.
Dede, and you maybe cause war or see a shiny pemu catcher. To say Nipano or the girlfriend Nabijina, now say good anymore. Eh?
Me good anymore say.
Ah, there been some ordinary cacking, so good beman in Massey.
Maybe you Nippon him surprise, and I meet you say surprise and car. Oh my god, a crown quarter day. Like young Ringy BBA, Biani BBA settle. Like what again about? And I'm a kind of money. Ah, there been to win a surprise bend. Now, what for class, but what a comedy can't conference or answer. But tell you who read the moody.
Can't I would know Casacasa? Who read him what again? Now we any jide the jide oh yeah,
Partey, me now, Bofra.
And I'm to say jide oh yeah.
I walk as a beer, the beer me hold one sat. Now they caught there, but now they caught there, but one here, doctor, back. Uncle Bimo, and as I'm now me who are pumping. Dear go to be on the base, Simamano. Massa, but what me did I you to? I dare now we any jide. I know if you say maybe Bands and Rabban. And I'm just saying, oh, any jide. Now say, and who am a media, dear. The man way, Mate. Ah, but they do very moody.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with
now, if it's salad in the way. There is a salad is one. Oh, no, for said you never salad. Just a young saboteur. Did they say, oh, Juma? Oh, let Martin, did it wait? Oh, mini problem. Why? Oh, did it? I mean, problem. I'm here for money.
Waka, and so so. Huh? When I chef, what said you no?
And I make sure say Thomas Partey. You may board the day on so young. I am to Bakasu
and to was any baby. Or no, I said yes or baby. One or one also provide the baby. I thought you were suffering and see if I did you. And for some no, so catastrophe die.
Meduma, I mean, a Juma Baku, but to our funny one. Maintain our water and said, Mina, chef, when you say, I can't salad a milk kitchen, men from kitchen. And I can't say a coffer. And you what you want. Dede, I know the birthday party. What kind of side? Huh?
On the musician, you say, I feel now.
I will be the patrol. I don't see it. Make an no.
Nay, say,
nay 25.
And this you can
is a 24, but what away? Did I you? Cataswanya for so be not the birthday party. Maybe you say, you may near you. What's a bit also be patrol. Now going. Patrol for him, sir.
I can't remember swimming by this time.
Oh, but already I'm say and your program.
Yeah, sure. Obi ongoing program your course.
Obi the birthday, you know.
You can't swim
and then the other better.
Sure.
Now the scout here no be na mtia. Yeah, but you need the open amansan pe o, Mr. And you di birthday one, you know, you say konyam. Oh, masa. Boss, me wo ya bibia. Ka che no so dey no.
Boss, abutre. Yeah, can I have boss and but no bonnet.
Say what boss.
Yeah, can but this thousand kawati. Hey, Thomas Partey Chichiku, I am sorry. Sin when you no. Your program will hire birthday. Na birthday ni sebi onye nipa ba ko onye nipa mienu nipa do wa de nti so mu di birthday na so swim me ba na sa o distract him wo be disturb him ntini ese yesrew ko dem the next time no ba be swim boss so na say wo no cry fence o washroom one say jacuzzi o the at this moment no ko share with
them so no ntina mo de balloon no wa
yeah yes yeah provide the balloon Master. I don't know. I didn't know it. Why customer? Hey, they were customer today. What you are presenting birthday? Who will you have a time to say?
Boss, I said, we understand why, Daddy.
Man, said I said,
maybe what said that so balloon?
Papa Cobra me hesem.
Boss, there be wouldn't go asem say we dey. There be ni part na we asen Jimmy say how.
Yeah, no kasa as
It's okay. You don't have manners. I'll report you to the management. Okay.
Report.
Say, they mo no, we are telling the right thing say program.
Left and motel.
Uni office say 100 sound. Go
Thomas Partey go out. Forget him.
Obi aba no be di mo asem sa.
Asem no ke mutual understanding.
Minim. Enam na sem na America.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air.
Coffee, yade.
Omo che say 5 o'clock.
Na say o mbese ko se dem e America to.
Bro, now you sure say birthday na be so.
Masa, me die me ntini ma ase because time mo de ma any time ya tena duane ho a se mo birthday kura de se bi ke bi di birthday a se ibi kura mo kura na mo nya ready kura na e wo so mo ba birthday ni bi na wo se hu nipa bi a be 5 bi anafo obi ne ye de teche ewure
by now they using ka be say the okay ko mo present o mo wa
ana ko fi birthday mo di ni dem wa na
e bia ne guest no ma yila location
na aha o be yida wa ha na ne hefa na be timi
na mo
a de se ya kwan
na mo ya so de se nya yila kwan wo bi se obi abekire wo anti o mo se de mo de nko no mo se de mo ye o se no mo se 5 to 10 into the entry kakra
ko so se sa na duane no so ojo because we need jollof and a fried rice ni and a chicken
we salad
isi wo sa fe nipa edrusa na nipa ni bidia o se nya de ezunu mfiri chef no
obi betima ba be ka se aduane ne de wa
boy na nkasa opre boy na obi di birthday na ma girl first da oba be booking si no ene niam bi o ye kire mamu se boy ne pre obi a ye be di birthday ama wo mpra se bi ye decoration kura nbi kikikiki okofa girl na be gira ha na this is a surprise can we get surprise kura de e ka efe at least ye decoration wi ye nwe bibia na okofa girl ne ba na enya surprise mo kikikiki okofa na ba se is a surprise
aduane o me esi we na kanko an it is a wo ba be di birthday na o me ehu de e ko na akwa akose de ma e no person che say
because on say esa na edo esa we tramo sa bu kwa na wo
kataso
masa medie e be ya yenko bopum mi yenchro mo se ta mo se ye na so
bro e dan de obi na okubom ye age sika wie say age sika wie titam yo me bia say ne ye de etwen ye de da say bo na ye hyetam to e bo na na obi amba ya ne asa ne o ma ne de be ne
ye be sa say renam no
na make
I just don't get it. What right do you have to go through my phone?
Jay, look, look at who is Jennifer.
Jennifer is just a friend, as you can see.
Jennifer is just a friend. Beshe, look, she has called you 3 missed calls.
So,
and after the calls, she chat on any chat what I say.
See, the girl you are talking about is just a friend. I don't know why you are just trying to make all these up. Today is your birthday, for crying out loud. Why are you trying to ruin it?
Yes, you are trying to ruin it for me. What's up with Shiano? And what's her jet? Uko Shiano, right?
And do you think I can leave you here, today being your birthday? Do you think I can leave you here just like that?
I don't know, yes sir. Like, you're trying to ruin my day. I mean, I don't get you.
I am not. She's just a friend. Can't you see? She's just a friend. There's nothing between me and her.
Until why are you chatting? Then chatting and chatting and I said,
boss, please, and please again. We can't take this anymore. Boss, why? Boss, you ask me what is going on. You come here, you ask for a birthday party. We have cooked, we have decorated, we have do everything. We are just sitting for the food so long time to wait for you. And you are not come. That was saying inside here, it's a year the end of the for. How come? Boss, paper job. Ba obe says obe the birthday. And a birthday na be the hypocrisy you birthday when I come you ki be that's like some more money already. Also, come on, mobile jam. Also, keep it back. Oh, boss, what's your trouble?
Please, we will be there very soon. Yeah, we will be there very soon. Just like.
But yeah, Mister, I was a bit remote to us. How they won't cancel enough fee. We are in the such a fridge.
Come on, maybe tell me, we'll be out to there very soon.
Boss, why are you staying inside here? Why fighting?
She say, what do you want to say? What is your work over here?
My work is to cook. Is to do everything. So many things here.
Into problem they say. You into your car
I'm pay.
She say what problem they say.
My problem is that my trade don't watch it. Oh, me to be here anybody guys, madam.
Na see into your car. Into your car.
Madam,
Say I respect you a lot.
See,
and any baby boss me patrol. And mo baby. Me be say be as be be to be am mo say be as me to no. Me funny me bisa.
Oh really?
How come some in trade no sir? Mo ba
Mr. Please, we will be out there very soon, yeah.
Oh, mo ba yin na che say ha the time na ye aduma. Em ma so because e be no program kon ko shewo. So, now some of the birthday now at my time nina. I was saying so neha.
But you excuse us, yeah? We will be out there.
So let me tell you, but I'm ready. Why?
Have you seen what you've caused? At times, I just don't get you. You are so jealous and sometimes take the good part of you.
Why won't I be jealous? Tell me.
I just don't get this one.
I'll catch up with like who do you think you are? If I trade, you know, almost better with the flowers. What come here for? You check. Oh, 30 minutes, but also about my message in the fridge. I tell you. Boss, now, you see a first a journey birthday. Eh? What? Boss. I don't go for birthday. What means I frop you? What means someone will invite to me? You know, be disappointed. Ain't ya? What means a new watch woman? I said the laugh you to be very because you go be a punk. I'll be the birthday cup. By this time, we need to my equana can yen per betting. I dear your pay you. Who be the birthday pan wine big say no be disappointed. As a failure, what was on common for the I say, you know. To some people for birthday call. A new one I have done, sir. A new was in a moody about the abem. Because I'm so free, Major Channel, I can share it. Hey, nothing but what can you now? Now I'm off for ma. I'm now because I'm on for my DNA. And I'm women to my boys here. Almost will be baby, and I hope it's my baby. A message feed me. Quite, I know beyond from what about your what I walk away.
Oh, all my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Oh, Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Oh, put up on no light.
We're ready to yeah, chance for now, baby. Mama, who are carrying you? Promise one that he manage yes way. We're ready, yes, who are you? Promise one that he manage yes way. Baby, now yes, who are you?
Okazu, Partey to go.
The birthday girl asked me to bring her some drinks, so I'm attending to her room.
But we left there for you to take in charge of the food stuff.
And as I said, the birthday girl asked me, so I'm rushing to her place.
And who is there?
No one is there, but I'll get back.
Where is she now?
She's inside her room.
Then fast.
Alright,
go in there.
I'll get back to you soon.
This boy, dear, you look serious, brah. You left there for you. You see, the birthday girl say she just requested for we drink.
I'm coming. It took so long.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I'm really sorry. Beautiful.
Okay.
I was at the poolside taking care of the fruits. That's why I kept so long. So should in case you need me, just call me. I'll be at your service.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Oh, all my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Oh, Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Oh,
madam, good evening. I don't understand.
I also don't understand. So you just barge into people's rooms just like that?
I knock, but madam, you were asleep. I knock, but my problem is here, madam. We have set for the food so many long.
So mother say birthday ni say enya mo so na munya nia aduane mu nche se bia yemfa pe ba nsi ana se bia nsesa mrebo ana yemfa nche yensu nyata mo koda so mother yentimi me ka die aduane sa fi na beda no food body guys ni etie dia no ade cha na pon so madam ye be adwuma
you can pack the food mon pack it
like how
so it's want to mean yeah, so you can go ahead why
but then here no e can say man the creation fee ne aduane ne can renting fee madam no mo ye nza ye dey madam are you okay?
I'm very okay.
Sure. I've heard you. I'll pack it in the fridge. If tomorrow or any day you can come and take your food. Okay?
You can leave.
Okay, there. We'll pack it.
Okay.
Madam, are you okay?
Me okay? Why? I'm okay.
Okay. Madam, it's a form of entertainment.
Like seriously?
Oh yeah, like seriously. I just want you to feel okay. I want you to feel laughing. I want you to feel okay. But yes, still, it seems we are not okay. Wow.
Hey.
I'll take my leave, madam. I'll pack it. Now, for the cake side, madam, cake in the end day. There's a fridge in the moment, he said. I should pack all the rice and the cake.
You want the cake too?
I don't want it, but I want to say the cake is in the fridge for so many times.
You can take it.
Hey, the cake too?
Of course.
Hey, what cake is okay, madam. I will take my leave. Okay.
So I bridge memo. Now I'm branding long hours need 2 to 3 jobs. Now per something genuine. Every time you one more to 2 hours. No, so no what's any time for family there. And you're not the digital marketing business. Every we a business sir. When you any work experience, you hear no phone or tablets, any internet connection. And no kwana when that's how I sign you to a coach and a mentor. I better guide you through the process. What status wa? I want castle business. I was start you. What to me register with the government and what to me sign a jama a chima. Na me so start here. Bibi kakra bi na ndetu ya. Na no kra ne amount 30 good days. Suffer dream ho, share business model no. Check the community out. Say nya bibia we ne je ho a, ye tuansi Kenya na ma within the 30 days. And you have absolutely nothing to lose. Open so home ma. My website and our screen so no. Konefa wo dinu email address na ko register na share complimentary webinar no. And I say my number na our screen so no. Na friend me. Na me fan for processing. Nya me nka ho. I'll see you on the inside.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on like this up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind, cause I'm feeling already. This song is a bell.